Happy Thursday and welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and if you can't tell, I am excited about today's job leads that I have for you. I feel like I always say, leave in the comments things that you are looking for. I do my best. I can never make any promises, but I do my best to always keep a lookout for things that people are looking for. And in today's video, I feel like I can deliver on that promise. Some unique part-time, set your own schedule jobs that I know a lot of you are looking for. I know I've seen comments for months now where people are looking for these type of jobs, and I have 3 of them in today's video. I also have 3 full-time jobs for those of you who are looking for full-time work. So hopefully a mixed bag, a little bit of something from everyone. We have companies like Starbucks and Roblox. We have non-phone type positions, like literally listening to phone calls and scoring or grading them. Also reviewing videos. But real quickly, before we dive into all that, if you are new to my channel and my videos, I want to say welcome. Thank you for checking out my channel. The way this channel works is I search the internet and all of the job boards daily, a lot of times multiple times a day, just trying to go to the depths of the internet, searching for the best remote work from home jobs that are currently hiring. And Monday through Friday, I share them with you on a daily basis. There is always a link in the YouTube description box if you want to get to any of the pages that I share to read reviews on companies or put that application in. And my YouTube dashboard does show me other like work from home channels that people might be watching, and so I can see their thumbnails and titles of their videos. Now most of the time I don't watch their videos, but I can kind of see what they're sharing, and I always strive to bring you something different and unique so that you get a mixed bag if you're watching multiple channels of different job leads. So that's how we try to be a little bit different over here. But of course, if you don't want to miss out on anything, make sure you're subscribed and have those YouTube notifications turned on. But without wasting any more time, first up we have the company owl.co. Now, they only have 37 reviews from past and current employees. They are more of a startup software company. They was founded in 2018. They do have, out of those 37 reviews, a 3.7 out of 5-star employee satisfaction rating. So as always, please do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. But they have a part-time data quality analyst for their fraud investigation. So they have like AI software where they try to remove human bias from the process, trying to fight illegitimate claims at scale. And so they really license their software to like insurance companies. So they're really looking for somebody to make sure that their data is of quality. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be leveraging the data to make sure that the integrity and accuracy of the insurance claims processing is intact and correct. You're going to pull from these open data sources and support their clients in monitoring these claims, detecting when claims are illegitimate, and preventing potential like fraudulent claims. So you'll conduct investigations and research using their open data source. You're going to analyze claim data for quality, completeness, and accuracy, just double checking all the data, making sure that it is correct. So you're going to deliver high quality results for the company. They are looking for somebody who's available 20 to 30 hours a week, somebody who has previous experience in like content research. You know how to research the internet very well. Someone who has the ability to independently work in a remote environment. You've got to have great communication skills and great computer skills. And it seems like with this one, you just have to be available 20 to 30 hours a week, so you can really be flexible in those hours. Pay for this position is going to be $20 an hour. Now, next up, we have the company Roblox. If you are a gamer at all, or if you have children, you have probably heard of Roblox before. I know when my son was growing up, he was all about the Roblox games. They have 574 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a human evaluator. Now, this is going to be a contract 1099 position, But if you're not familiar with Roblox, it's a game that lets you explore, create, play, learn, and connect with friends. It's like a 3D environment where you can like build things. They are looking for somebody who is passionate about Roblox to classify content based on the set of instructions that they give you. So you're basically going to be categorizing different content for the game and for Roblox. These content classifications may include reviewing the classification of text, images, video, and audio. You're going to track and document any insights and trends that you see, just annotating those as needed, testing out new features, providing that detailed feedback, just becoming an expert in a variety of topics, making sure that the evaluations of the content that is in Roblox is accurately tagged and classified and all of that. They are looking for somebody to dedicate 25 to 29 hours a week, Monday through Friday. They would really like your hours to be dedicated during a Monday through Friday, but it doesn't say that you have any set specific hours. They are looking for somebody who has understanding of Roblox, somebody who can look into current trends within the platform, so somebody who has a strong gaming experience, great communication skills, and somebody who has patience. You're going to be doing repetitive tasks over and over again with high attention to detail. Now, you do have to be eligible to work in the United States. This role is fully remote and pay is $23.20 an hour. Now, this next company doesn't have as high reviews and the pay is a little bit on the lower end, but I did want to share because it meets the criteria that a lot of you have said you're looking for, and I just want to share since I found it and then let you make your own decisions. But the company is BusPatrol. They have 89 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 2.2 out of 5 stars, so almost right in the middle. So it's like some people love them, some people hate them. Regardless, they are looking for somebody to be a video reviewer. This is remote for the United States, and pay is anywhere from $10 an hour up to $18 an hour. So if you can get like a $15 to $18 an hour mark, this would be worth it. They are looking for somebody to basically just review videos. This is a 1099 contract position. It has a casual schedule. You can set your own hours. They ask that you work at least 10 hours a week, but they are looking for somebody to help identify motorists who illegally pass stopped school buses, endangering the lives of young children. So you're going to be responsible for reviewing a high volume of online video events and determining if in that video a vehicle has violated the law by passing a stopped school bus. You'll have to make sure that all events are reviewed accurately and timely, just understanding, striving to meet the video reviewer metrics that are set for you. So you are going to have goals and metrics that you have to meet with this one, and you're going to have to pay very close attention to those videos. Was the bus completely stopped with like the stop sign out, or was the bus still moving and a stop sign, just coming out, like it was slowing down and starting to stop, and the car is not in violation of the law because the bus itself was not stopped yet? Things like that. You're going to have to pay very close attention to these videos, but they are looking for somebody who has a high school diploma or GED. They want somebody who is located in the Eastern time zone, somebody who can work in a fast-paced environment processing like 250 events per hour. So you have to be adaptable and flexible, being able to commit to that 10 hours a week. Again, just being able to do those repetitive tasks all the time, like hour after hour. You've got to be good with working with computers. And again, pay is again listed down at the bottom, $10 an hour to $18 an hour. Now, if you're really looking for a full-time job, the next three are for you. We're starting off with Starbucks hiring. Starbucks has 74,000 reviews, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. They are looking for an administrative assistant for their licensed stores for their Northeast division. This is going to be remote for the United States. Now, we have talked about administrative assistants and executive assistants a lot on this channel. I tend to share a lot of these jobs because if you're a highly organized person, if you keep a lot of kids like schedule straight, multitasking within keeping those, kid A needs to go to this game at this time, kid B needs to be at recital at this time. If If you can keep calendars and stuff organized, working with big corporate people in big companies, being their assistant pays very, very well. Just keeping them organized so that they can get to their meetings and things that they need to. Starbucks is going to be no different. Pay for this position starts at $23.37 an hour and goes up to $39.66 an hour. But Starbucks is basically looking for somebody to provide that administrative support to 3 different directors. You're going to manage their calendars with attention to great detail, making sure that their time and resources is appropriately allocated so that they are highly productive. So you are going to make sure like their meetings are not double booked. You're going to probably take notes for them in the meetings. You're going to make sure their travel is booked if they need to travel somewhere for a meeting, their hotels, their planes, all of that is booked for them. You're just providing different administrative activities, including screening and directing their phone calls. You'll compose and type their general emails and act on emails when needed. You might also do some administrative projects for them, like tracking or analyzing budgets, researching information to respond to questions, updating databases, so data entry, creating monthly reports, just all the things that they need done. If they need reports run on the numbers of the sales or anything like that, you'll be the one that sits down and goes into the system and runs those reports for them, and then you'll just deliver the reports to them when they are ready. Now, Starbucks is not requiring any kind of a college degree for this position. They're looking for somebody who is comfortable to adapting, flexibility, and responding to ever-changing demands. Somebody who can collaborate with others so you have confidence and you can compose yourself in a professional manner. Somebody who has great communication skills and somebody who has some customer service skills and quality. And of course, you've got to be a very highly organized person. Next up, we have the company Global Payments. Global Payments has 1,300 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.4 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a quality assurance support specialist. This is going to be, again, remote for the United States. This is going to be great for those of you who have customer service skills, and so you can basically give feedback or score a call saying if it was handled correctly or not. So that is exactly what this job is. They're looking for somebody to monitor, evaluate, and score a specified number of calls each month for their clients in order to provide an overall assessment of the call center and the collections quality. Now, one thing to note about this, the pay is a little bit on the lower end. Pay is $15.76 per hour. But they are going to give you a defined criteria or scorecard, and you are just going to provide the customer service representatives with feedback and coaching to help them improve their quality of service that they are providing on these phone calls. You're going to do weekly reports outlining the calls that you evaluated, making sure that the team members are coached for the department management or supervisor. So you're going to give all your feedback up to their supervisor so they can get trained and coached. So you'll participate in meetings as an observer to gain necessary knowledge and skills to respond to inquiries during client sessions, just assisting with all the quality control needed for these customer service recordings. So you're just basically listening to the recorded phone call, the transcript of the call. And there may be times, if they are extremely busy, where you would act as a backup to the customer service team, but the main job is just scoring these calls. Now, they don't have a lot of requirements, just a high school diploma or GED and 1 to 2 years of related work experience. And because this is grading customer service, that related work experience can be customer service. And that is basically it as far as requirements. Next up, we have a company in the financial field, Voya Financial. They have 1,100 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a stop-loss rating specialist, again remote for the United States. You are going to analyze, research, and independently respond to requests for proposals from existing or prospective clients for stop-loss prospects. So you're going to have standard requests, and then you're going to have a larger request. So you are really going to be responsible for not only coordinating but completing the stop loss request for the proposals for your assigned territory. This includes standard and complex stop losses in the space. You're going to assess the needs and communicate and coordinate any necessary data with the brokers, vendors, or partners from outside the company through email and sometimes phone. You might have to pick up the phone and make an outbound phone call with this one. Just determining the competitiveness of the stop loss request through manual rating process. So you're going to look at the request and give it a rating, adhering to your quality guidelines and standards. This is going to mean you're going to have to review, research, and analyze the documents that you're giving prior to claims experience for further risk evaluation, and you're going to be responsible for the quality review of manual rates and a claim entry. Now, they prefer a bachelor degree, but it's not required as long as you have 1 to 3 years of experience in some kind of support role. You have great people skills or interpersonal skills, great communication skills. You can be a multitasker and be highly organized. Now, pay for this one is anywhere from $47,810 a year up to $59,760 a year. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Again, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. You can include any experience or education that you have. I can never make any promises, but I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget, if you enjoyed anything that I shared, let me know. Give me that direct feedback. Give this video a thumbs up, like button. Of course, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.